That good old Google Analytics is probably a staple for your marketing routine. Page views, bounce rates, conversion goals, that probably sounds like really dear to our marketing heart. But have you noticed that sometimes Google Analytics just does not give you enough value for all of the marketing activities that you want to do? So in this video, we're going to talk about the reasons why you could probably look for alternatives to Google Analytics and why Google Analytics just simply does not give enough value for everything that you can do with your marketing. And my name is Paulina. I'm a marketing human from RedTrack, and I help you simplify MarTech by explaining it in a bit simpler way. I hope I actually managed to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We try to deliver bi-weekly the videos about all of the topics connected to MarTech and marketing. So don't forget to subscribe and let's watch this video. So let's quickly observe why you probably use Google Analytics and why is it great. So we all know that GA serves very good for any website interaction. It analyzes everything that happens with all of your pages on your website, like it controls the page views, bounce rates, time on the page, etc., etc. We do not want to get rid of this functionality. This is something that GA really does great for your website. As well, GA helps you define traffic sources for your website, so you can see detailed breakdowns like from which sources traffic comes to your website, whether it's social, whether it's email, paid ads, any marketing channel that you use. You can see what kind of benefit this channel brought to your end goals. And talking about goals, you can also set conversion goals with GA, which is also very handy when it comes to marketing. So you can really define what is that thing that you strive for in your marketing activities. Another great thing that GA offers is customized reports. So you can actually play around and find a way in which reports work great for you and what kind of metrics you want to see in a quite detailed way. And the last thing that GA helps you do is issue tracking links, which you as a marketer do need for many things, whether you work with affiliates or whether you just want to place a link somewhere to track whether this channel works or not. GA with the Google Tag Manager also offers you to do that. So this is the core basic functionality that Google Analytics offers, and we cannot argue with the fact that this is great and it does help with our marketing activities. But let's jump to the reasons where you could probably need a bit more help from marketing analytics tools and the things that Google Analytics just does not provide in their core functionality. So let's talk about these reasons when you need a little bit more than GA. Case number one when you need more than GA is if you do a lot of media buying activity. You might notice that Google Analytics does not give you enough info. First of all, GA is not very accurate when it comes to many channels like that. It tends to over-report and it just doesn't give you the precise data about these channels, about what happens with your advertisings on those channels. And as a marketer, you are just missing out little bits of information that can influence your decisions, and it can influence whether you really want to invest in this channel or not. Moreover, alternative tracking tools, marketing analytics tools, they give you more details about every interaction when it comes to media buying campaigns. Just have more details about everything that happens with every campaign creative that you do. I would say it's one of my favorite ones because this is what defines alternative tracking tools from GA. It's automation. Many tracking tools these days have automation and optimization functionality, which helps you just let go of the controls, because you don't want to watch all day long what's the metric on this campaign, what's the CR on that campaign. You want to set a specific rule which says, for example, if the CR is less than X, then stop this campaign. If the CR is more than that, then put more traffic to this campaign. And it just gives you more free time. And what do we need as marketers, right? We just need more free time to do strategic stuff, to plan, to create more, to think, to think about the creative side of our job rather than focusing on numbers all the time. So automation really helps you do that, because you just set rules and the algorithms do the magic and they control your traffic by itself. So GA does not have this, and most of the tracking tools have this functionality. So case number 3 when you need help of alternative tracking tools is if you run an affiliate program. So anything connected to work with affiliates, referrals, influencers, so basically advertising partners who promote a product for you, you need the help of affiliate management software, because even though Google Analytics gives you an opportunity to issue links, the tracking of those results can really turn into a nightmare because it's not a unified dashboard. And alternative tracking tools, they provide this. They give you an opportunity to have one dashboard for everything, for issuing links, for tracking the results, for sharing the results with your advertising partners, which is important. So affiliate management software is really better way to handle with affiliates rather than using a GA and just issue links and then try to control their performance in Google Sheets or something like that. Another reason is also connected to work with affiliates or influencers. It's coupon-based attribution. So when you work with advertising partners, sometimes you want not to use the link, but you want to create a promo code, a coupon. And Google Analytics does not provide attribution for those coupons. It's not going to be accurate. So alternative tracking tools, they can do that for you, and you will be able to understand the performance on your promo codes as well as your tracking links. And lastly, that's probably the reason why a lot of companies are looking for alternatives to GA, is the offline conversion tracking. We all know that Google Analytics does not help you track everything that happens on your backend, like trial periods, demo requests, and things like that. Everything that goes on your CRM is really, really hard to integrate to GA. And we will talk about it a bit later, because there is a way to integrate that, but not many of us know about it. So let's do a little bit of gossiping, and I want to tell you 2 things that you probably don't know about Google Analytics. Thing number 1 is sampling, data aggregation, data modeling. You can call any of those names, but to explain it simply, as I like to do that, I don't like complicated stuff. To explain simply, it's that Google Analytics gives you an approximate picture. So it's an average value for all of the efforts that you're doing, because they are not taking the raw data, so for the data for each and every click that happens on your campaigns, but the sampled data. So again, it's an average value, which in many cases, if you really want to go deep in your analytics, it just does not give you enough information because it's not a full picture. And if you want a full picture, you need to invest in marketing analytics tool that offers you raw data when tracking. So it means that they record every single interaction of your campaigns. And another thing you might have not known is that GA is not only free. So there is a free version, but actually there is Analytics 360. And on their website, it says they have advanced funnels, advanced analytics, advanced everything. Also offline conversion tracking with Salesforce, which is what we were talking about before. And I don't know the numbers. You can try to contact their sales, as the website says, but rumor in the industry says that it's quite an expensive tool to have in your marketing stack. So I would really think twice, and maybe it's just easier to invest in an alternative tracking tool rather than investing in expensive Google Analytics. So now let's see whether you are the one who needs an alternative to GA. There are few reasons, there are a few cases that you might have in your marketing routine. And I would say, even if you have one of the cases that I will talk about, it's better if you invest in an alternative tracking tool. So first one is you run a lot of marketing channels. And as a marketing person myself, I know how important it is to keep it diverse and to really have a stack of marketing channels that you use. And if you use GA, considering that it samples data, it doesn't provide the accurate picture, you really don't know the full thing that is happening to all of your marketing channels. It's everything you want to know about your marketing activities. Alternative marketing analytics tools do it better than GA. Case number 2 is you are running an affiliate program or work with influencers. You really need an affiliate management software that will help you both issue tracking links, issue promo codes, do the reporting on those links and promo codes, do the attribution to make correct assumptions, and to show the reports to your advertising partners in order to solve all the disputes. So GA will not gonna do that for you. You do need another tool to cope with all of those issues for you. Case number 3, you just want to see the full picture. I know myself that many marketers, they just want to know the truth. You know, we all want to know the truth. And since GA uses sampling data and aggregation of the data, it's not the full picture. It's an average value, it's an approximate picture. And tracking tools, not GA, they do help you to use raw data about each interaction with your marketing channels for the analysis. Number 4, you want to use the magic of automation, and I cannot stress that enough. Automation is queen. Or king. It can help you save your time, it can help you set rules and control the performance of your campaigns without you doing basically anything with it. So GA will not do that for you. You need alternative tracking tools to offer you automation. 5 is you have offline conversions as a goal. So everything that happens on your CRM, you have those conversions as a goal. GA will not help you do that, at least not the free GA. And lastly, you need to stitch the funnel. That sounds complicated, but let me explain you. So some of the tracking tools, they allow you to stitch the funnel, meaning analyze the performance of a single channel and identify users that bring you the highest LTV, for example, that bring you the highest revenue, and only specialized tracking tools can help you do that. GA will not be able to help you. So if you find that you have one of those cases and you desire to really advance your marketing with the alternative tracking tool, not GA, I would recommend you RedTrack, because I'm biased, because I am here at the RedTrack channel. Don't forget to subscribe. But we have some of the amazing features and we solve all the issues that I've talked about today. We do offline conversion tracking, we do automation, we do affiliate referral tracking, we do coupon-based attribution. There are so many things. I would recommend checking our website, which I will link down below. And it can really help you set your marketing on fire with all the data that you can get from one tool. In order for you to understand better which tool works better for you, GA or RedTrack, let's run a quick comparison. Let's go feature by feature and see where GA has the functionality you need and where RedTrack has something more to that. So let's see. We have UTM data, which works for both. We have ad spend, which works only for Google Ads in GA. Goals completions work for both as well, but bounce rates do not work for RedTrack users. Then we have on-site purchases, which are available for GA and RedTrack, but off-site purchases are only available for RedTrack unless it's integrated. Attribution window is flexible for RedTrack users, as well as subscription revenue and LTV available only for RedTrack users in comparison to GA. The next list is actually a fun one because it's all of the things that you will find missing for GA. Refund rate, multi-purchase attribution, affiliate tracking, coupon attribution, referral tracking, MLM or multi-level marketing, fraud detection, rule-based automation, and impression tracking. So after all of those reasons that I mentioned in this video and after all the features that we've seen do not work with GA, you might have felt that you need more data, more information about your marketing activities in order to advance your marketing, because that's what we're here for. And if you feel like that, just consider switching to alternative marketing analytics tools like RedTrack. I will leave all the links in the description, so check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and give us your feedback anytime. We are here to advance this channel for you to advance your marketing.